Welcome to English Care Home. Learn English, be smart.
Today I am going to talk about the processes of your overall development in English. This development includes all the 4 skills of learning a language: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But there are some more things you need to do as well. I personally followed these processes to develop my skills in English. Yes, I am going to discuss the most important and bulleted points right now. If you follow these tips properly, you will gradually develop. Before you know them all, please subscribe my channel for more videos from me and press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from me. Let's get started. Number 1. Read some pages regularly. You will get a lot of benefits if you read regularly, and regular reading
Strengthens the brain, enriches knowledge, builds vocabulary, improves reading and understanding capabilities, reduces stress.
Number 2. Write some pages every day. If you do the same, you will be a good writer. You will be benefited as the following.
You will communicate with clarity. You will eliminate stress. You will be more productive. You will learn more. You will have a lot of written memories.
And then number 3. Listen to a native English speaker daily. If it is possible to converse with a native speaker, then don't miss the chance at all. If not, then go to online and search and find an audio or video of a native English speaker. Then listen to it. The benefits of listening to a native English speaker are uncountable. Some of them are as following.
It will teach authentic and practical use of vocabulary. It will help understanding the culture as well as the language. It will help you learn proper accent and pronunciation.
Speak on a regular basis. Regular speaking is the only way to improve your speaking fluency. You can record your speaking practices for rechecking later. However, regular speaking practices will
remove your shyness and hesitation while speaking, make you confident in your pronunciation and vocabulary, boost your fluency in speaking.
Number 5. Learn some new vocabularies every day. It shortens your skills if you don't have a rich vocabulary list. Your writing or conversation or understanding will not be fruitful in case of your poor vocabularies. Again, if you want your performance in English to be good enough, then you have to enrich your vocabulary level. For this, select some new words from your reading or listening and then learn them well. But remember, you need to maintain the following steps to learn a new word:
meaning, spelling, identity, pronunciation, derivatives with suffix and prefix, uses, any special uses with phrases if there is any.
And number 6, look back to your works, your writings and recordings of speaking after a short break to see how your previous performance was. It will help you to understand what points you need to improve. And if you do this repeatedly, you will be able to decide how you should perform presently. My dear friends, now you know some key points to develop your performance in English. So keep practicing them out and out. And if you think this video is helpful to you, then
click on the like button
and share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video. Happy journey of your learning English.